say that anyone could benefit from our service. I would say all age groups, young and old, and I would say male and female. I feel that people keep coming back is because we are a very comfortable salon and we have excellent customer service.
I think Wichita is the best place to do business because I think it's big enough so we can get clientele to come in, but also small enough that we have a personal relationship with our stylist.
Yeah, come check us out. I would tell them that we're an innovative salon and we offer many services as far as hair, makeup, skincare, and waxing and massages. We continue our education. The girls stay focused.
And we also have a positive attitude.
Right.
I mean, if you don't have a positive attitude, then it all goes down.